I want to introduce our new product, which is called the Leather Coupon Book. So, got this nice leather tie, and then the front, says I love you right here in this awesome copper debossed foil. And then right here in the bottom right hand corner, you can personalize a name or a date. Open it up, and we have these coupon cards here on the inside, which are meant to give to a loved one that you want to give these to. So I have an example here that I wrote for my wife. So it says free breakfast in bed, your choice of food and beverage. So that's what the coupon's good for. Then here on the left-hand side, there's like a little terms and conditions section, which is kind of fun, where you can say, this is a one-time use or use only on the weekends, or you can kind of get really fun and creative. So this one says, I'll take you out to a nice 5-star restaurant. So I gave that to my wife. My terms and conditions was no burger joints. Did not want to eat burgers again. So this 5-star restaurant was an awesome experience. And then this next coupon is, we will clean any room in the house for you from all the kids. It shows a great way that you can incorporate other people into a coupon, like your family, and the kids can get involved and write their own coupons. It's really fun. So we all clean the kitchen together, and then the terms and conditions was that all kids must be present. So it's not just one kid doing all the cleaning, so that one's fun. And then this last one is a 20-minute massage with oil, hands, feet, neck, back, full body. Each coupon, we took careful design and consideration to making each element high quality, because these coupons are very meaningful gifts. So we did this deckled edge on the outside. The paper is cold pressed, thick, really durable, but they all come blank. And then there's 18 coupons here. It's got a little Rustico on the back. Once they're filled out, you go ahead and put this in there. And then this is also the same size as cash, so you can actually fit cash right in here behind it in case you wanted to gift money, or you can put gift cards in here. It's a little extra roomy. So then you can close this up. I like to wrap this around like so and tuck it in the front so it has this nice little cross. And then in the backhand side, you can just slide the little tab through like so. I actually gifted this product along with this one to my wife for our anniversary. This is one of our What I Love About You journals. This is the special edition anniversary one. And there's 50 prompts in here where you can write and fill it out that explain why you love the person you love. And it's super sentimental for the person to receive a gift like that. And then coupling it with a coupon book is just a cherry on top of a product and a wonderful gift. Had my wife in tears. She said it was the best gift she ever received. So highly recommend What I Love About You paired with a coupon book, because they go so well together. It's the gift that keeps on giving. So go ahead and order your coupon book today for the person you love.